it's worth a try. You ain't always been the angel, but heaven's on the side. I got my demons too, I know just how you feel.
Okay, it is currently, I don't know if y'all can see it over there. No, you can't. But it is currently 8:30, well 8:31. And I'm stopping right here. Let me get stationary, because I don't want to be moving all around while I'm talking. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then my name is Jackie Nicole. I'm a mompreneur of 5. And on this channel, I post on lifestyle, beauty, fitness, fashion, pretty much everything that makes my life easier as a mommy, so I can focus on the more important things in life, like actually living, okay? But I just got finished working out. Okay, I usually work out for 45 minutes to an hour, but today I'm cutting it short. I only did 3 sets because I have to get out this house and get to the store. But I'm not taking away from myself because I'm working out again with Bae when she gets home, because it's ab day and we usually work out together anyway. So an hour is all I do. Anything over an hour, it's not gonna happen, because I would totally get off track, and it doesn't take that long to do a workout. And I'm speaking out here because, as y'all saw, my grandbaby is here for 2 weeks, and the kids are still sleeping in the spring break, so they're still in the house sleeping, and I didn't want to go in and make excessive noise, and that's the reason why I had my headphones on working out too, because usually I have my on speaker on out here in the vibes, okay? But I'm getting ready to go in and fix me some breakfast. I'll probably be doing oatmeal, and then I'm gonna go up, and I'm not gonna take a shower. Hey, don't judge me. Real mommy life shit here, okay? I'm gonna go up and grab some sweatpants and a sweatshirt. I'm gonna head to the grocery store because I'm doing grocery shopping today. If you don't know how I grocery shop, here's a video to get insight on how I grocery shop. It's a grocery shopping video to show you how to effectively grocery shop, because I only shop one time a month, okay? Yes, one time a month. And that way you can save money and time when you grocery shop. But check it out if you're interested and want to know more details. So I did my list check some yesterday, and I'm going to do some right before I walk out of the door to make sure I don't forget anything. But other than that, I'm going to head in so I can get ready and go to this store, okay? Check in with you later. Okay, I'm headed out of the house now. It is really nasty out here. I mean, I really don't want to go out into this, but hey, mama gotta do what a mama gotta do. Kids gotta eat. Oh my gosh. It's one of those days. I'm so glad it's noodle day. And speaking of noodles, I forgot the noodles. So I'm gonna have to jump back out and go get these damn noodles because I'm not cooking today. I got a call. Well, I got a call, a text, and an email over the weekend about a fraud alert. It was asking me pretty much, did you make these purchases? Two of the purchases I made, one of them I didn't really pay attention to because it said 0. But I know now that you need to pay attention to those because that just means somebody was trying to spend something and it didn't go through. But the first purchase is not mine that they had on the text. And because I responded with no, they restricted and cut off my card. So me going to pay for the groceries, which came up to $5.10 and some change. I was left there standing like, okay, girl, you know you didn't have it before you came up here. Looking like that. Like, because I'm one of those ones that somebody in front of me and they swipe that card more than twice or something wrong. But baby, if it ain't in there, it ain't in there, okay? So that's how I was feeling today. I was like, what the? But I paid with my other card. And when I came outside, it was pouring down raining. So I just went ahead and called USAA to see what was going on. Because, baby, you know, what is we doing? I can't be out here, like, but she told me that it was restricted and I would have to get another card sent out. So, long story short, that's what I did. And it'll be here 2 to 3 days. In 2 to 3 days. It's bittersweet with USAA because they don't play with the fraud, but baby, they cut it off like that. They, bam. I went out of the country and I started purchasing stuff with my car and they was like, is this you, baby? Is this you? And I'm like, yes, it's me. Please don't cut my shit off because I need my musties. I need to shop, okay? Especially being out of the country. I need these funds. But yeah, I'm about to run back in here and get these noodles so I can go home and wind down. Fraud is real. But USAA is the GOAT. Okay, I got these little raggedy ass noodles. And I am headed home now. It's now 12:24. So hopefully I get everything out and put up at least by 1:30. Because they're there to help me take it out today. They were at school, I'll be by myself, but once I let them know that okay, I'm back and we're ready to rumble, they'll come and help. But I really don't want them to come and not the rain. So we're gonna see when we get there.
Yeah.
Huh? Oh.
Blueberry farm.
My mom got waffles.
She do? She do?
Hey, you sound like that TikTok. My mom doesn't have that.
You like waffles?
Hey, you remember toaster strudel? The toaster strudel. Hey, honey. We trying new cookies?
Ooh.
We got some more cereal.
Churro cookies. I can't grab it.
That's some more cereal.
Oh.
Trying to keep us together, hope it's worth the drive. You ain't always been an angel, but heaven's on the side. I got my demons too, I know just how you feel. You can be real with me.
Got some weight.
That's how you get it. So this is what it's looking like right now while we're taking out the groceries, putting it up. The kids usually put up the snacks, and yes, you saw that right. I buy the whole entire case of oysters.
What's this? Oh, never mind. Has banana. Has banana.
Give me where the pizza's at. Oh, okay, never mind.
Oh, I like that.
No. I said put the banana thing was in here. Leave those in the pack.
Good job.
And I picked up this oyster grow kit, and I'm going to probably plant that next week.
Mom, this going in the trash?
What? No.
Everything I want is a yes.
You got it? Where your shoes at?
Avery, I got it. Give him. Thank you.
And if I had $1 for every time I cleaned off and wiped off this counter, I would be rich. This is the habit. And guys, I'm officially done putting up the groceries. It is 2:27. I am about to fix me something to eat. I'm going to open one of these pre-made salads that I just bought. And here's the deets that are on the back and how it looks out of the pack put together. Thank you for watching this video. Just live, because that's the message. If you feel like hanging around, watch these videos right here that YouTube has picked just for you.
My bills paid, rent paid, nails did, hair slayed, make it work for it.